Welcome to the new episode of Weekly Kashmir University Video Digest Quest. First, a look at the highlights. DLL releases souvenir on drug de-addiction. Professor G.R. Malik's book released, and a 3-week refresher course on women's studies concludes. Now the details of these events with your host Arabia Altaf. To commemorate 7 years of dedicated services of Police Drug De-Addiction Services Centre, Srinagar, Directorate of Lifelong Learning in collaboration with Jammu and Kashmir Police organised a function in the Gandhi Bhavan Auditorium. During the function, certificates were awarded to trainees of technical course. The function also marked the release of a souvenir Hayat. The souvenir Hayat contains chapters based on the work done by the Drug De-Addiction Centre and DLL in rehabilitating the drug abusers. SP PDD SC Mr. Manoj Pandita presented a welcome address.
जो मिशन हमने 2007 में शुरू किया, आज उसका एक संगमील है और हम और भी कोशिश करेंगे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर पुलिस की तरफ से ये सहूलियात और जगहों तक पहुंचाने के लिए। मैं इख्तिताम एक छोटे से जुमले से करता हूं कि हम अकेले ही चले थे राह मंजिल की तरफ, लोग आते गए और कारवां बनता गया।
Director DLL Dr. G.H. Mir told audience that it is his firm belief that university cannot afford to remain in isolation from the societal problems.
So far as the higher education system, university system is concerned, it cannot afford to remain a closed circuit, unconcerned with the problems of the people, with the problems of the community and the society. It is in this backdrop that introduction of extension education took place, and it was with this intention to develop a meaningful, a close relationship between the university and the community. It was under this backdrop that the Directorate of Lifelong Learning, which was erstwhile known as Center for Adult Continuing Education and Extension, which is exclusively an extension education department, has tried to develop a meaningful and sustained rapport between the university and the community. I think it is the obligation of the university to look into the problems of the society, to enter into dialogue with the people, to know their problems and try to overcome, find out the ways and means to overcome those problems.
He emphasized the point that DLL worked with JK Police to bring drug de-addicts back to the mainstream life.
ये काम काबिल दीद भी है और काबिल दाद भी है। ये चाहते हैं कि इन लोगों को वापस मेन ट्रैक पर लाया जाए, मेन स्ट्रीम में लाया जाए, ताकि जिसको कंट्रीब्यूट अपने लिए और सोसाइटी के लिए करना था, वो आवारा किसी और काम में लगा है इस वक्त। तो उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने अवेयरनेस जनरेशन प्रोग्राम्स का इनाकाद बहुत सारी जगहों पे किया है। उन्होंने सेमिनार्स और वर्कशॉप्स का इनाकाद भी किया है ताकि इस बीमारी से, इस इवल से निजात पाया जाए और ये लोग अच्छे कामों में लगे। और उन्होंने इनके लिए काउंसलिंग का भी इंतजाम किया है और उन्होंने उन लोगों के लिए ट्रीटमेंट का भी इंतजाम किया है। लेकिन हम किनारा कशी इख्तियार नहीं कर सकते, हम सबकदोशी इख्तियार नहीं कर सकते हैं। इट इज द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन इन द सोसाइटी, इन द कम्युनिटी, to come to the rescue of this deprived section of the society. तो हमने क्या किया है कि हमने सोचा, यूनिवर्सिटी ने महसूस किया कि हमारे मुदाखलत का, हमारी इंटरवेंशन का यहाँ पे एक रोल बनता है। हमने पुलिस के साथ बहुत सारी मीटिंगें की और आखिर पे बाज़ाब्ता तौर ये वर्कआउट किया कि हम फेजेस मैनर में इनके लिए चंद प्रोग्राम्स का इनकाद करें जो उनके फ्यूचर के लिए एक आसरा बने।
Deputy Inspector General of Central Kashmir, Mr. Saeed Afadul Mujtaba, said that police employed various specialists to de-addict the drug users in the center.
हमने over a period of time जो लोग इसमें employ किए, उसमें social workers भी हैं जिनका बाज़ाब्ता डिग्री और डिप्लोमा था social work में, और counselors हैं जो काउंसलिंग करते हैं। और उस वजह से हम ये समझते हैं कि हमने अपनी तरफ से एक हकीर कोशिश की है सोसाइटी के लिए कि जिसकी वजह से कि इन लोगों को जो बीमार हो गए हुए हैं उनकी कोई मदद की जाए। और मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम लोग जो हैं वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसके साथ शामिल हो रहे हैं और आज इस दानिशगाह में जो दानिश्वरों का मरकज़ है इस बारे में बात हो रही है اور اس کے ذریعے سے باقی سوسائٹی تک یہ بات پہنچ رہی ہے. مجھے اس بات کی واقعی بہت خوشی ہے.
Inspector General of Police Kashmir, Mr. A.G. Mir, while stressing the importance of DLL, said that with their cooperation they were able to put youth back in the mainstream.
This issue can be addressed on two fronts. One is stopping the spread of this menace, stopping the proliferation of drugs, but equally important another aspect is de-addiction and rehabilitation of those who are already addicted. J&K police did take a lead, and it was in 2007 when we got a lot of experts together. Let me tell you, it has become a referral center. Researchers from different places, they are coming to this place, our drug addiction center, Srinagar, and they are doing their research and they are adding value. That's very satisfying for us. Till this time, it was a drug addiction center or drug addiction services. But then the real need was of drug addiction center and rehabilitation center. And it was our cooperation, our tie-up with the Directorate of Lifelong Learning, University of Kashmir, that it has changed our drug addiction center to drug addiction center and rehabilitation.
Registrar Professor Zafar Ahmed Rishi opined that Kashmir University is ready to collaborate with any organization or any institution in the larger interests of the society.
I must congratulate the State Police Department for somehow, taking up issues of drug abuse, establishing, drug addiction center. 10 years before, nobody would have thought that this would be the domain of the police department. And there is a possibility that the police department may take up issues which, as on date, they may not be contemplating, as this is basically these would be basically their domains. Anyhow, this is very good that you have somehow interacted with our DLL. We would be more than happy and willing to cooperate with the State Police Department in its future endeavors. The University of Kashmir would be all out to help any organization, be it police or any other department, in the larger interests of the state and in the larger interests of the society. We know that the University of Kashmir has three major objectives. One is academics, teaching, second is research, and third is extension. And this activity falls in the domain of extension.
Dean Academic Affairs Professor M.A. Vani, while lauding the role of Drug De-Addiction Center, said that drug abuse is an epidemic problem in many societies and Kashmir is sitting on a volcano.
Drug problem is a serious challenge which the mankind is confronted with presently. And so is true of our state also. We should not be complacent that this problem is not as it obtains elsewhere, say in Punjab, because it is an epidemic. It spreads like an epidemic, and particularly when the environment is also favorable. Because the modern pressures have created a frustrated youth, and unemployment is increasing day by day. Our society is fast moving towards 100% literacy, mind it please. But at the same time, we don't have any job opportunities. You will have a frustrated youth. And I am always saying, perhaps I am a weak person, that's why, because I have some sense of society. I believe that we are on the volcano, we are sitting on the volcano. And this volcano will erupt. And it will be a grave problem which the future will have to face. And one of its repercussions will be that people will take to drugs, besides doing other criminal activities.
Director PDDSC Dr. Muzaffar Khan proposed the vote of thanks. Iqbal Institute of Culture and Philosophy organized a book release function of Professor G.R. Malik. The function was held in the Gandhi Bhavan Auditorium. Professor Malik is a renowned literary figure of Kashmir. He served as head of Department of English and Director EMMRC at the university. Director Iqbal Institute Professor Taskina Fazil presented a brief profile of the author before the audience.
Professor Ghulam Rasool Malik kisi تعارف کے محتاج نہیں. آپ انگریزی زبان و ادب پر غیر معمولی دستگاہ رکھنے کے ساتھ ساتھ فارسی، اردو اور کشمیری زبان و ادب کے علاوہ اسلامیات کے وسیع اور گہرے مطالعے سے بھی بہرہ مند ہیں. اقبالیات کے میدان کے کئی شہسوار ہیں، لیکن قرآن، حدیث اور اسلامی تاریخ کے پہلو بپہلو فارسی، اردو اور کشمیری ادب پر گہری نظر رکھنے والوں کی خاصی کمی ہے۔ ان تمام محاسن کی حامل پروفیسر ملک کی ذات اس کمی کو بدرجہ اتم پورا کرتی ہے۔
Assistant Professor of English Department, Dr. Mufti Mudassir Mehraj, scholar Dr. Maroof Shah, while reviewing the book, said that the author comes out as an erudite person while writing commentary on one of the greatest personalities of the 20th century Muslim world.
Throughout the study, he avoids making generalizations which most often lead to superimposing some concepts on poets or writers and lead to oversimplifications. Professor Malik does not try to yoke together Iqbal and romantics with violence, and is fully conscious of the wide gulf that separates the two. In spite of this wide gulf, there exists something in common in Iqbal and romantics, and the book tries to bring that out in a lucid yet brilliant manner. One of the points that the book brings out is the influence that English romantic poets had on Iqbal. By his own confession, Iqbal was saved by Wordsworth from atheism during his student days. This is perhaps because Wordsworth saw God everywhere at a time when Iqbal could not find him anywhere. Although Shelley's non-conformism is well known, Iqbal still loved to teach his poetry to his students with an enthusiasm which his students remembered long after.
He thus gives his verdict. Quote, "The purpose of art is development and purification of spiritual self." Unquote. Yes, it is as simple as that. However, the question regarding supposed pernicious influence of, say, Pater's views of art need to be engaged with, and I do not find this in Professor Malik. He has occasionally criticized a few statements of Oscar Wilde, but had not, so far as I know, had the opportunity to deeply engage with the original formulations of so-called art for art's sake idea, as formulated by the master, Walter Pater. I personally feel that there are hardly any aesthetics around who have a completely autonomous space for art and can afford its delinking from life. In Professor Malik's reading, Iqbal shares least with Keats, whose idea of self-effacing and negative capability are largely incompatible with Iqbalian philosophy. But I think we can point out that negative capability is used for Shakespeare and in fact the literary games.
Professor Bashir Ahmed Nehvi, former director of the Iqbal Institute, remarked that Kashmiris unfortunately do not give due respect to their great personalities during their lifetime.
ہم لوگ ادیبوں کی، اپنے عالموں کی، اپنے دانشوروں کی قدر نہیں کرتے. ہاں، مرنے کے بعد پھر پڑا ہوتا ہے اخبارات میں چند دن تک مضامین، ریویوز اور پھر شمارے شائع ہوتے. جیتے جی ہم صاحب علم جو ہیں ان کی عزت نہیں کرتے. ہماری ریاست کا ایک شاعر تھا شوریدہ کشمیری، غلام محمد ملک ان کا اصل نام، شوریدہ کشمیری، جوشی جنوں اور جذبی دروں کا مصنف، اور خطاب خامہ ان کے مکتوبات کا مجموعہ ہے. عالم سرور میرے استاد مکرم کہا کرتے تھے کہ شوریدہ کشمیری کو میں ریاست کا جگر مراد آبادی کہتا ہوں، جگر مراد آبادی کی ٹکر کا شاعر، احمد فراز کی ٹکر کا شاعر. لیکن آپ حیران ہوں گے کہ وہ شخص خود زنبیل میں، بیگ میں اپنی کتاب جوشی جنوں اور جذبی دروں کی 5 کاپیاں لے کے ایک کالج، دوسرے کالج، تیسرے کالج خود جاتا تھا فروغ کرنے کے لیے، کیونکہ یہاں قدر ہی نہیں.
Lauding Professor Malik for his work on Dr. Iqbal, Dean Academic Affairs Professor M.A. Vani asked students to take a cue from Professor Malik because unless they do not become serious about world history, a meaningful research on Iqbal is not possible.
جب تک کہ آپ ویسٹرن سویلائزیشنز اور ایسٹرن سویلائزیشن کے سیریس اسٹوڈنٹ نہیں بنیں گے. سویلائزیشن مطلب ہوتا ہے سب کچھ، ایوری تھنگ. اس میں فلاسفی بھی ہے، اس میں لٹریچر بھی ہے، اس میں مذہب بھی ہے، اس میں امپیریلزم بھی ہے، اس میں کولونیلزم بھی ہے، اس میں ہمارا ایشیٹک سویلائزیشنز بھی ہیں، ان کا اتار چڑھاؤ اور ان کی فلاسفی اور باقی چیز، ان کا دین اور ان کا زوال اور ان کا عروج اور ان کا ایوری تھنگ. تمام ہسٹری کے ساتھ unless and until you are a good student of history, of the world history, in its totality, اقبال پر میننگ فل ریسرچ پاسبل نہیں ہے. میننگ فل ریسرچ ایک تو ہوتا ہے کہ یہاں سے یہاں تک، یہاں سے اٹھاؤ اور یہاں پر یہاں دباؤ، دیٹ از another one kind of research. اور تیسری بات وہ ہے جو میں ریپیٹ ہی کرتا ہوں کہ اردو سے نہیں چلے گی بات، صرف اردو سے بات نہیں چلے گی. یو ہیو ٹو بی ایکولی اے گڈ اسٹوڈنٹ آف پرشین، بیکاز اوریجنل جب آپ خود نہیں دیکھیں گے تب تک آپ اوریجنل ریسرچ نہیں کریں گے.
Professor Malik San thanked university and everyone on behalf of his father.
I once again thank Iqbal Institute of Culture and Philosophy on my personal behalf and on behalf of my father for organizing this function. I thank the audience, the scholars, respected teachers of the university for being here and being so patient.
A 3-week refresher course on women's studies conducted by the Academic Staff College concluded with valedictory function held in the ASC Hall. Coordinator of the course, Professor Neelofer Khan, expressed her satisfaction with the conduct of the course.
This is the only refresher course of University Grants Commission, which is interdisciplinary. So you can see what importance University Grants Commission has given to this refresher course. There were 20 resource persons who were invited for different sessions, and different sessions were taken. Some of them being women in development, women in law, then women in entrepreneurship, managing personal and professional role, women in academics, why we need women leaders in academic administration, then women in research.
Director ASC, Professor Mahiuddin Sangmi, hoped that the deliberations held during a 3-week course must have given participants some value additions.
The deliberations which we have had in this program have definitely made some value addition to your life. I'm sure you are teachers. And who are teachers? Teachers is a sustainable, continuous process where you are interacting with your students. I'm sure if somehow, somewhere, something has been learned from this college, I'm sure that would not go waste. That would reach to our students. Ultimately, what's going to happen, that would definitely make a good transformation of our society. We have to open our minds, but not close our eyes. What is being preached, what is being taught in West, we have not to accept that blindfolded. What is relevant to us, we should take that.
Dean, Academic Affairs, Professor M.A. Vani, told participants that the gender discourse and modern discourse started from the West, and one must keep that in mind.
The construction of gender discourse, actually, it began in the developed world. We must remember. In fact, all the discourses are the constructions of the developed world. This is America and other European countries especially. And we must remember that all discourses have politics behind it. All discourses have politics behind it. You may be knowing one of the great postmodernist philosopher, Foucault, who wrote Knowledge and Power. And in this he articulated that knowledge popularizes because there is power behind it. And knowledge, on the contrary, another knowledge does not become popular because it does not have power behind it.
Some participants also expressed their views about the 3-week refresher course. Later, Professor Vani distributed certificates among the participants. Department of Students' Welfare organized a special social service camp for devotees visiting Hazrat Bal Shrine on Friday following Eid-e-Miladun-Nabi. DSW regularly organizes such camps for the devotees, during which they are served tea and other eatables. Speaking to the Quest team, Dean Students' Welfare, Professor Nilofer Khan said such camps give them satisfaction.
जो ये सोशल सर्विस कैंप है आपने देखा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है हमें मदद इसमें जो अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की है उनकी मिली है हमारे जो चीफ प्रॉक्टोरियल विंग है यूनिवर्सिटी की उनकी है और ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर का एक ट्रेडिशन है कि जो फ्राइडे फॉलोइंग ईद मिलाद वसल्लम है हम ये जो सोशल सर्विस कैंप है ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं हमने कोई 7-8 हज़ार डिवोटीज़ के लिए जो है इंतज़ाम रखा है हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है और एक सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती है कि हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं और हमारे जो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर चीफ प्रॉक्टर के ऑफिशियल्स हैं वॉलंटियर्स हैं वो बहुत दिल से काम कर रहे हैं चाय सर्व कर रहे हैं और जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का एक ट्रेडिशन है और हम इस ट्रेडिशन को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं
Dear students, Directorate of Lifelong Learning is going to organize various short-term professional vocational certificate courses. The courses will be conducted at various training centers on and off the campus. Any student who has passed class 10th is eligible for these short-term professional vocational certificate courses. The details of some of the courses are as That is all for today's episode. Send us your valuable suggestions at our email address, that is quest@emmrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are a few words of wisdom. People who want to be heard attentively have to earn it through their conduct.